Right.
Yeah, everyone complains about the eye relief on this. At least.
Is it accurate? Hey, it is, you know. Like it shoots while you're pointing.
Yeah.
I really not that bad.
I mean, you got goggles on and all that, so.
Yeah. I mean, I would adjust it back a little bit for my eyes, but.
Yeah, but I'm blind as f, aren't I, so.
There's one on the bridge. They're making crazy pushes. This guy here's just had his gun hit.
Woo! They're in 10.
Lou. They're at the close barrier to you. Uh-oh. Yep. Hit.
Oh,
sorry.
Hello. That was good though.
Go on,
Jesus Christ, he was like Lightning McQueen.
Bushes, that's handy loot.
Dude, the bush red.
No, they're in the bushes. Enemy in the bushes.
Shooting here.
Oh. Sounds like there's one here closely. Get back, get back. Oh. That side is not looking too good. I'll be honest. They are everywhere over here, Eryn.
Mate, why have we sat back here? We've pushed them all the way up.
Okay.
Why are we sat back here then all the way up?
No one's talking to us.
Why didn't you tell us that? No one fucking told us that.
Just seen one.
They're at the red crate apparently as well, so they must be using the road.
There's one on the hill straight ahead. If you look straight ahead, you see the walkway going up to the flag. There's one up there. Ooh. There's more straight on, up on the hill. Where's that coming from? On the hill, on the hill. Yeah. Got one. There's still two on this hill in front of us. See where? There's another one right at the very back by the looks of it.
Oh, hit.
Whereabout is that? Are you seeing that doorway? There was one in the doorway, sort of straight on with the white walls.
Yeah.
They've just been up there to change the flag and they got hit, so I don't know. Side of prison. Yeah. You can see, you know, I think this is the guy you're on about, straight on here. Can you see him? He keeps popping his gun. doorway that's sort of like that way. He's just to the left of it, he keeps looking this way.